So hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary from Manzil Immigrations. Today I will talk about interview guide for F1 student visa for USA. F1 visa interview questions while getting into a university in USA is a matter of cheer. Exhilaration is often dampened by prospects of a visa interview. Students from across the country swear by grueling sessions with visa interviewer and how all their plans might simply go to waste if the person rejects the application. All that is true, but at the same time, there is nothing to fear. The interviewer is not tasked with a target of rejecting applications. His or her only purpose is to validate your reasons for visiting USA, and by no means are they intent on thwarting your US dreams until and unless the dream constitutes of staying as illegal in the United States of America. So it's important to understand that while the visa interview is an integral part of your US student visa application, it's by no means the lengthiest. In fact, on average, the US visa interview would last about 3 to 4 minutes, sometimes even lesser. And contrary to the normal beliefs, the visa officer should not scrutinize all your documents. In fact, they only ask for an documents in the rarest of rare occasions. As a rule, the visa officers don't ask for any documents, though you are always recommended to carry them with you. It's important to note that you must not offer your documents until and unless asked. This guide tries to remove a few misconceptions about the visa interview, provide basic do's and don'ts, and also lists down a few frequently asked questions with pointers to guide you on how to best answer these questions. So remember, there are no rules here. Like any interview, every interview is bound to be unique. What remains constant, however, is that like any interview, the key is confidence and intent. If I talk about preparing for the interview day, things you should know before you go for your US student visa interview. Like any interview, it's a formal interaction between two or more people. The interviewer or interviewers and the interviewee. And like any interview, you need to prepare for this one as well. So before you start prepping about the questions or worrying about the interview officer, I'm telling you some few things you must do. Remember, doing your homework is the key to success. So prepare your file neatly, cataloged with every possible document in place and marked. Though you would not be asked for any documents, it's important to ensure all the documents are filed and catalogued. Refer to the upcoming list of documents to carry during the interview. So go through the admission essay or SOP. You have submitted the complete list of universities and courses you had applied to. So thoroughly revise the course you have enrolled for, the kind of credit systems it has, the tenure, the faculty, and the course highlights. So basically, why you choose that particular university? I will tell you, it's about the state you would be visiting, about the university's history, and the nearby location. So go through your financial documents to clearly understand how you would be paying for your education to the USA. Try your best. So if you need any kind of guidance, you can share your profile on our WhatsApp number 99146 Our expert counselors will guide you free of cost, because we don't take any kind of charge from you for guidance. And one more thing, if you have any query regarding this video, you can share your queries in the comment section. I will do my best to answer your queries as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Be happy.